So, alahas, good for investment. Ang rate ngayon is 6.91 per gram. So, ayan. Ganda oh. So, kay kami dito sa, ano,
Gusto ko maliit lang na sing-sing.
mag-invest ka rin lang naman, lakihan mo na.
Hindi ako nasising-sing.
Pero wag kang yung may bato-bato.
Diamond.
Wag na. Kasi pagdating
Ganyan,
sa,
ganyan.
wag yan. Pagdating sa Pilipinas sa kagipitan, useless yan.
Next time. Utak sola yun mo.
Dependent be, oh.
Tara na. Let's go na. I'm so hungry. Thank you for the...
Okay, hungry, eat lah. Okay. Okay, go to eat lunch lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, by July, I get my item. Okay?
Sure ah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
At
Waiting
least
for
now
you.
we know that 6 months.
6
Only-
months,
But
you know.
before, last year is 10 months.
Before, you know.
Last year. when
Cannot
we get-
last.
Yeah, when we get that.
The economic of my shop cannot, you know.
But when we get that,
Now, you
we
know.
have a video.
You know, many shop is closed down, you understand? In Hong Kong.
I don't know.
You know, Pang Yao, this is not good. This one.
Yeah.
I changed this one.
Kasi ito
This
break.
one.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Asan yung be?
Ito. Yeah.
Maganda
yeah,
lang
this
siya.
Mhm.
Pero marupok.
Looks good, but when
You keep it
when
longer.
one piece is broken, continue to
Yeah, look like but hard to use. Yeah.
How about this one is okay too.
Yeah.
I have one. From
Wow.
here, yeah.
So now very expensive now, you know. You have one.
I think before it's only for my salary 400 something.
Wow.
Ay 4,000 I mean.
4,000 become
The price
8,000.
the price before. Maybe 3 years ago. 3 years na lang be siguro. Ilagay mo sa ano.
I misplaced.
Thanks again.
Yeah.
Dito, mga white naman siya. Doon ka ano? Take a video. Yan. Alahas. Pwedeng hulugan.
Yeah.
Hey. Give me a discount next
Yeah.
time. Nalalansin to. Nakarabi.
I'm so happy.
May nakita akong ano doon to.
Yeah.
I saw earrings. It's
Yeah,
nice.
Ano bang earrings nila? Yung lock ay maganda.
Ayan, ay maganda rito. Before, I think it's a...
Yung lock kasi ng earrings niya,
Oo.
Yeah.
lock ng earrings niya, yung round na earrings.
Thank you.
Okay,
Take a video here. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Ay, dito yata.
Thank you.
Nanching eh.
Yung lock niya.
Ay, ayun o, yung may cross.
Hindi, yung bilog niya. Iba na yung lock niya. Ganyan na rin.
O, patingnan mo, tingnan
Okay
mo.
na. Isasunod na pagkaan na.
Ayun o, yung hikaw na ganun o.
Alin?
Yun o. Na may star
Yung yung kadi-kadi ng ikaw.
Abom, lawlaw ang butas niya ng tainga ko.
Ganito, ipinatakuhan ng asawa niyo. Pinsan ni Vic.
Baka dito na lang din ako kukuha.
Di ba yung first, second?
Oo. Baka dito na lang din ako kukuha.
Maganda na yung lock niya. Hindi na
Hindi kagaya. Ayan. Alahas, 999. Good for investment.
Mga ganyan naman kasi hindi naman naiisan tayo.
Fashion. Collect.
Ganito, mamahal
Ay, may mga diamond pagdating sa Pilipinas. Ang iniisip ko, be, pag yung pagdating sa hagipitan sa Pilipinas,
wala namang
sayang
halaga
yan.
Be, couple ring. Gaganda.
Parang ganyan kay Gaytan.
Picture ko nga itong couple ring na to. Malay mo, ma-send ko kay Vic. I will send it to my
Future husband.
future.
Yeah.
No. Tara na. Let's go. Saan?